What's your favorite run here?
I mean, aerial.
What is it?
Actually, backside and through the trees.
All right. Oh, what the fuck? Come on. Give me the freaking trees. Thank God. Ah, gotcha. Untouched trees.
Hey, Braden. Yo, this is so high that it just broke someone's binding.
Roll it together.
Sure.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. I like that camera.
Yeah, turn it off.
What's your favorite run here?
Condo.
Can I follow you down one run?
Yeah, sure.
That was pretty sick.
Yeah, you're not gonna get much better than this.
What's your favorite run here?
Barracuda's open today. I really like that one under the lift over here.
I haven't done Barracuda yet. I was over there, I just didn't hit Barracuda.
Yeah, that's a fun one.
All right.
Double bonded.
It's the perfect lift to do it.
That's true.
Is it allowed?
Technically, no.
Oh, do you want me to stop?
I would prefer it. Hey, go out there and enjoy it for me. Thank you.
Sick. Rode Hidden Valley, never ridden Hidden Valley before. It's pretty sick. Conditions were incredible. Vibes, great. People there, super chill. And then it was time to go to Seven Springs, but before Seven Springs, had to stop at Sheetz, grab some food, and some snacks for the night. And now just got to Seven Springs, and I called ahead and asked if I was allowed to car camp, and they were like, technically not, but if you want to talk to our security team and see if they'll allow it, I'd like, go ahead. So I talked to the security team and they were like, yeah, that's fine, not a big deal. So now I've set up my car for car camping. So here, let me flip the camera around. I'll show you what we got going on. So watching some football, downloading some footage, and then this is my setup right now in the back. So I haven't put my sleeping bag or anything out yet, but we got kind of sick. So we got a little like mattress topper, like a 3-inch mattress topper on top of a wood frame to keep it flat, and then pillows. Should be pretty comfortable. And then got all the snowboards on the top of the car. Also got my little charger, so that's charging right now my AirPods and some of my GoPro batteries. But yeah, so we'll go get a few laps in at Seven Springs on a powder day. Also, we got the new camo hoodie out with one of my logos on it, and then on the back it has a cool design on it, so kind of fun. Are you trying to go back or forwards?
Was going to go back, and then I got stuck.
You want me to try and push you? I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but I'll try.
You recording?
You're not gonna show ice,
are you?
Do what?
You're not gonna show ice, are you?
Ice?
Ice.
No. What do you mean show ice?
You informant?
No.
I'll give you 24 rupees and a goat. You want a goat?
No. We were chilling on a goat.
No goat. You got a YouTube or something?
Yeah, I got a channel.
Yeah. What is it?
It's called Chris Arslan Productions.
How you liking that though? Good?
I mean, I make $0 off it, but give me an excuse to go ride.
You're not monetized?
No.
You're doing it best though. From what I've heard, people that do it just for fucking fun, they're the guys that make it.
We'll see. We'll see. I'll find y'all when I make it.
I believe in you.
I will give you 24,000 rupees and 2 goats.
Perfect. Alright, so it's now nighttime. I am just chilling in the car. I'm in the front seat of the car right now, and here, I'll flip the camera around. So I'm watching the football game. I got some popcorn, like the Skinny brand. I don't know, it's kind of disgusting, not gonna lie, but I'm eating it. And once I'm done watching some football, I'm gonna climb in the back and go to bed. Alright, so this is my setup. I got the 0-degree sleeping bag in here, and some pillows, and all my gear right here. So with that said, see y'all in the morning. We made it through the night. It was absolutely freezing, but we lived to tell the tale, and time to dig my car out and get home safe. Here, I'll show you my setup. And you can't see shit.